Apple could be unveiling a new Mac Studio machine and a new display that runs iOS at the March 8 event. According to the last minute confirmation from Bloomberg, Mark Gurman in a tweet, Gurman says that the Mac Studio and a new monitor running iOS are ready to go and will likely be debuting in just few hours. Yesterday, YouTuber Luke Miami shared renders of what he claims is the Mac Studio, showing off a machine that features a design like a thick Mac Mini. The Mac Studio features the same square design as the current Mac Mini, but it measures in at 4 inches taller and it has a new thermal design to mitigate heat. Not only the Mac Studio and the new display is going to be coming, we have some last minute information regarding the iPhone SE 3 which is going to be coming. According to the leak coming from Korean bloggers Unix1122, he gives us information that the upcoming iPhone SE not only going to be having an improved chipset, which is probably going to be the A15 Bionic. We also have 4GB of RAM. He also confirms that we are going to see same design as the last year and the screen size will be 4.7 inches. It would be cost you around $400. With this new leak is that there is going to be a significantly improvement in the battery life as compared to its predecessor. Also, Apple would be adding the ceramic shield technology to the phone body, which would make it more drop resistance. Honestly, if that is true, I definitely think this could be more suitable for all those guys who wanted to have a budget level iPhone with the 5G inside. And you guys, the last minute leak will be regarding the iPad Air, which is the fourth device that is expected to be coming on the upcoming event. According to the same source, Unix112 on Korean blog has given us that the 5th generation of iPad Air will be featuring the M1 chip. As a result, the iPad Air is also destined to be paired with 8GB of memory, which is kind of an impressive thing to have. Although many reports are claiming, even the last minute report claims, we are going to see the same design for the iPad Air 5 as its predecessor. The new iPad Air is also rumored to start at 128GB of internal storage, up from the 64GB base storage currently available. Also, the 5th generation iPad Air will cost you around $600 and it will be the same pricing as the current model. So guys, I think that adding the M1 to iPad Air would make it very similar to more expensive top of the line iPad Pro. And if Apple does opt to do so, ProMotion display technology and the LiDAR camera would become the main difference between the iPad Air and the iPad Pro lineup. So guys, we are literally 4 hours away from the event. These are some of the last minute leak. I'm super excited about that particular event. Kind of a bummer for me if there is no MacBook Air or MacBook Pro redesign arrive, because I was hoping that Apple could be bringing new MacBook Air or the MacBook Pro design in this event, but leaks and rumors are not pointing on that. And let's wait and see how the event goes. Thanks for watching this video. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Peace.